I just got my Anthbot robot mower in the mail today. They say it's intelligent maintenance, more time with family. Sounds good to me. Let's open it up, see what we get. Cool. What's in the box? There it is, main unit. Docking station, low voltage cable, power supply unit, instruction booklet. There it is. Get one of these and get one of these. And you get screws, nails, pegs. There must be 100 pegs. You get a ruler, boundary wire, wire connector. I think you get more than one. Extra blades and some screws to hold on the blades. Flimsy little cardboard ruler. This box took a beating. So here's, I think, your grounding stakes. Open this up. Oh, there it is. This is pretty exciting. Okay, so real quick, here's a package of wiring and a little transformer. Here is the roll of wire, 180 meter boundary wire. Well, there's the dock. Here's the pegs. See, I wasn't joking when I said about 100 of these. All right. And here's some screws. These screws are about 5 inches long, it looks like. And that's about it, I think. So this is pretty exciting. All right, let's get it out of there. It's a beautiful day for yard work. I'm just taking a break while my mower mows the lawn. I'm kind of nervous because my wires are sticking up kind of high. Okay, he's finding the corner even though it's a very small area. Alright, well, at least I know he works. He survived the long trip on the boat to our island here. He's gonna help us to catch up on yard work around here. Okay, he's mowing at the lowest height. I wanna see what he does when he bangs into me. I'm in the way. So he tries to get around me, it looks like. No, he'll just go back. Oh. He didn't like that. But he's still gonna continue. Well, that's a good safety feature. At least we know that he won't just keep smashing into me when I'm standing there. So he'll back onto the line and then mow across. It's such a short area for him to demonstrate, but he's doing perpendicular cutting right now. I tried to switch him to parallel, but the app said I have to wait until he's done mowing to switch the orientation. So we'll let him finish up. Okay, let's see. This is gonna be a tight space for him right here. Tight space. Let's see how he does. Ooh, close one. You can hear the blade spinning. But like I said, it's such a short distance for him to demonstrate anything. But it works really good. And I can't wait to hook it up to a larger area in the yard. Yeah, overall a pretty high quality unit, and I do highly recommend it. Just follow all the directions and you'll be good.